Hello, my friend. I got a request from John Wilson. They would like to see these glass panels painted with the Mirroriest Mirror Chrome Paint. So we're going to paint one side of the glass panel with just the mirror paint and put it inside the frame. And then with the other one, we will put a subject matter and then paint the mirror over that, so you'll be able to see through this panel and do the same, put it back into the frame. It's going to be a very interesting experiment. Okay, I've got my chrome paint and I've got this blacklight neon by Deco Art that says on the bottle that it is good for glass, so I'm going to paint a neon pink heart as my subject matter, and then we'll do the silver, the chrome all at once, and then we'll see what we get. I'm very excited. Okay, I'm pretty sure that the paint has dried on both of the panels, so we're going to flip them over and see what we've got. Okay, so I don't think it's got that reflective property. No, not really. So that's a bummer, but painting over it still does look pretty cool. It's a very nice slick silver with the pink, so it's still very pretty, but I don't think that that is what John had in mind for this experiment. So on the plus side, the painted side is very mirrory. I can see my face and my hand. Well, this was a very interesting and fun experiment. I'm sad that we don't get the mirrored properties on the back side of the painting, but it's still a very nice silver and a nice effect with the heart there in the center. And if I really wanted to have the reflective side, I know I can flip this around if I can pop it out. And it's still a very nice mirrored piece. But in addition, this was also a really good experiment for this paint product on glass. So we do know that even though we can't flip it around and expect the same result on the back side, the main side that we paint on, it did adhere and it stays. I used 2 coats of the silver on this, only one here, and I can see some lines bleeding through, but this one with the 2 coats seems to be pretty decent. So I hope that this was a very informative video, and John, I hope you enjoyed this. Please let me know what you thought in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a magical day.